Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Gadzooks. Our Gadzooks has got a few ingredients in it, so we're going to build it in our 16-ounce beer glass, and then we're going to strain it into our martini glass. So always start by filling your glass up with ice. Next, we are going to start with our base, which is going to be a gin. So we're going to go 1 part to 1 part for everything for most parts. So in this case, I'm going to say an ounce is what we're looking for here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And next, the other two main liqueurs we're going to use is going to be a dry vermouth and an apricot brandy. So for both of these, we're also going to use an ounce or a 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we're going to use a splash of cherry brandy. So just, a 1/4 ounce. And then a splash of lime juice. And what lime does in most cocktails is it really brings out the flavors. So you don't want to go overboard with it, but you definitely want to use enough to, mix it up a little bit. Going to get your martini glass ready. And then shake your ingredients together in the mixing tin. Really brings all those flavors to life. And then strain and pour your cocktail directly into your martini glass. And it's a beautiful colored cocktail. That is your Gadzooks, a drink you'll undoubtedly enjoy.